This is a new 2014 Ford Mustang, powered by rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed manual transmission. The features include leather seats, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Ford Sync, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, a premium sound system, aluminum rims, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, a spoiler. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, side airbags, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Reineke Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 12000 County Road 99, Findlay, Ohio 45840.